Here's trending app called Rodeo Houston, and you can need this app in case you want to watch some rodeo shows. So yeah, let's just install it and see how it looks like. It's quite a niche app. Yeah, if you're interested in these sports, then you can just download it. But it's climbing quite high in the entertainment actually. And also there are some additional perks here. So here you can, yeah, this is primarily the app to watch this Houston livestock show rodeo for these dates. Then how to get tickets, how to see maps and get some merch, some games, some news, and all of that. Half price tickets, carnival packs. So a lot of perks when it just makes sense, yeah, to get this app if you're interested either in attending this show. So let's just install the free sticker pack and start sending. So you can, so there you have it. So this is just like an overview, and then you can just see all of the dates and events, all the. So then if you want to buy tickets, you'll just redirect it to the another website, and then from here you will be able to buy tickets from here. Then there are concert tickets, Rodeo ticket account, you can just buy them. This is like a festival. Then there is schedule and meetup, what you can expect. And there is menu, which you can just visit, and then you can see all of the different options here. So you can just see the map, and then you can get tickets. You can see where you can shop and dine. You can also add some camera filters, experience live stream. So there are some live streams, and then there is also like playlist, Spotify playlist, wine selection, rodeo merchandise, competition results. You can also see them here. So you can see the criteria, category, and then you can see the results. Yeah, so that's basically the app, how you can explore it here and how to just, easily navigate during this festival and during this show. So hope this is helpful. That's just an idea, and thanks for watching.